To solve a Rubik's Cube, you need to learn the notation we will be using in this video. There are 6 faces on the cube: the U, F, R, L, D, and B faces. A move described as R means turn the R face clockwise. A move such as R prime means turn the R face counterclockwise. R2 means turn the R face twice. You should also note that the color of a face is determined by the color of the center sticker on that face. First, rotate the cube so the white side is on the U face. To solve a white cross shape on this face, locate a white edge piece and identify the secondary color of this piece. Then, move this piece to be in position between the white and secondary color sides. Repeat this process for the 3 remaining white edge pieces. Next, to solve the white corner pieces, locate one of the 4 corner pieces with a white sticker in the D layer and identify the secondary and tertiary colors on the piece. Rotate the entire cube until the secondary and tertiary colors from that piece are the colors of the F and R face. Then, rotate the D layer until the identified corner piece is in the front bottom right corner of the cube. Perform the algorithm R prime, D prime, R, D until the piece is solved. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 white corner pieces. Now that the first layer of the cube is solved, rotate the cube so that the white side is on the D face. To solve the second layer of the cube, locate one of the 4 edge pieces that does not have a yellow sticker on it in the U face. Rotate the U face until one of the colors on the edge piece lines up with the color of a center sticker on the F, R, L, or B faces. Now, rotate the whole cube until that edge piece you just lined up is in the front of the cube. Look at the color of the sticker on this edge piece that is on the U face and identify if that is the same color as the L or the R face of your cube. If it is the same color as the L face, perform U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. If it is the same as the R face, perform U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 edge pieces without yellow stickers on them, and you will have completed the first 2 layers of the cube. To solve the last layer, identify how many edges are already correctly oriented with the yellow sticker facing up. If you have 2 adjacent edges correct, rotate the U face until they are on the L and B sides of the U face and perform F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. If you have 2 opposite edges correct, rotate the U face until they are on the R and L sides of the U face and perform F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. If no edges are correctly oriented, perform either algorithm and reassess. Then, find a corner piece that is already correctly oriented and rotate the U face until it is in the front left corner. Perform R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Repeat this process until all of the corners are correctly oriented. If there are no correctly oriented corners to begin with, perform the algorithm anyway and reassess. Now with all the yellow stickers facing up, turn the U layer until only one corner piece is solved. Rotate the cube until the solved corner is in the front left position of the cube. Then, rotate the cube so the yellow face is facing you. Perform R2, U2, R, D, R prime, U2, R, D prime, R. Check and see if all four corners are now solved, and if not, repeat this step. If you cannot turn the U layer to solve only one corner piece, perform the previous algorithm and reassess. To solve the edge pieces in the last layer, identify an edge piece that is correctly positioned between two corners. Rotate the cube until this edge piece is on the back face. Perform R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. Repeat this process until the cube is solved. You're done. However, if no edge piece is correctly positioned between two corners, perform the previous algorithm and reassess.